Good morning, everybody. We're here from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're going to rebox this little locomotive, the German shrouded steam engine that we finally got to run. The box it came in was this, so that's what it originally was called. The Lima part number 203017. It doesn't have a schematic or paperwork inside. So I know it's a Deutsche Bahn, German, but it's a good habit to put your trains back in the box, so you don't end up crowding the entire layout with locomotives. So let me put the camera down in the forest here, and I'll just quickly. Sometimes you need two hands to get these things. They fit so tightly. Fit. Wow. Amazing. That's almost. See, that's not that easy. I wonder if it's going in a different way. Let's try it this way. Very difficult to get it in. Wow. Maybe that's why people don't put it in the box. It's a pretty nice container. Oh, there you go. I pulled out both sides of it and got it. You almost see it doesn't want to fall out. It's pretty neat. Here's the box. I happened to find another one of these. As you can see, this one is gray. So I'm going to put this over here and take out this one, which is the same locomotive in black. I have no idea if this is in better, worse, same condition, but it's probably been sitting in the box. And let's see, the number is slightly different. This is 20319 as opposed to 20317. So, now I'm not really sure what this train did when it was in Germany. Looks like it, considering it looks so pretty, it probably was a passenger train, right? You always try to want to have people attracted to what they're going to ride in. Otherwise, it'd be a big turnoff because you have to sell people. Now, that's a sweet looking engine. Sleek. Black's always a good color for an engine with the red wheels. Gold lettering. Not sure if that says Deutsche Bahn or Deutsche Reichsbahn. It might be from that old period. But here's a simple test. We're going to put it on the track here. And I'm going to walk over to the power pack, because again, like I said, I've got this set up with 1960s technology, but that's okay. It works, and it's like a time travel back to when I was a little kid. Anyway, let's see if we get this to run. Somehow I doubt it after the last experience. Oh, she budged. Now, who knows? Who knows why she doesn't want to budge? Is it a dirty track? I don't think so. This area of the track's pretty clean. Remember, it just hasn't run. As you could see, it's super clean in there. But you never know. What is it, that little tiny bit, just to get it to run? Let's bring it over where I have more direct control of the power pack. It's times like this when I say, gee, I should get the walk around throttle. She's on. Oh, look at that. So it, whatever little initial three headlights. Oh, she'll never make it past the dead man's curve over there. No. It's funny and I tried to manually clean that track. It's kind of like it's haunted. Maybe we're just gonna have to replace this track. See, it's right under the mountain. Probably could use a little oil. When she comes back around, we're gonna have to try to catch her. Right out of the box, probably from the 1970s or 80s. Pretty impressive, actually. Warm it up. Yeah, that jerkety motion is not too hot. I don't know if she's going to make it back around. Alright, we shut it off. Now I'm going to take the very viscous oil, which might seem like a mistake, but I'm going to put the camera down. It's really hard to hold the camera in this. And let's see, where can I put this camera? Hi everybody. All right, now we've got the locomotive and the gears are right on the wheel. So I'm gonna put a little drop. Not a lot. Okay, so there's an inner gear I got and those two. Just a tiny drop. Tiny, tiny, tiny. I'm going to close this off like so. And then I'm going to reach in here and get this lighter oil. Again, I'm not going anywhere near the wheels, meaning the wheel tires. That we don't want, but there are side rods. I'm putting it on that light. Because you never know, that could be a point of binding. And one little drop of light oil on that gear. Now, probably haven't oiled every spot. I didn't take the top off, but that's okay. she's lubed up. Will she have enough power to go through? I doubt it. Really asking a lot from that track. Yep, just not going to happen. It just needs to be, I just have to really hand clean it thoroughly. So, you know, just something to keep in mind. That's why you really need a solid train of maintenance cars for track cleaning to get into these hard to reach places. Now notice it's got directional lighting because the lights went off as it's going backwards. Oh, wow though. You know what? A lot of potential here. I'm going to leave it there, and thanks for watching today. An interesting little unboxing of a Deutsche Bahn steam engine. And let's get a view of it on the other side of the bridge. I think that's a nice look. A little dark in there, but that's what a train looks like, you know. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you again. Bye for now.